Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Prosper. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draft this spiral flounce flay I used for my sleeve on this dress I made. So the first thing you want to do is to get the midpoint. So I'm just going to, since I'm using my pattern paper, I'm just going to fold to give me the midline and then fold here as well. But if you're cutting direct on fabric, which I advise you do, just go ahead and cut directly on fabric, so you get the midpoint of the width and the length of your fabric. Then make a cross line like I'm doing. That's a plus sign. Make a plus sign like I'm doing. So the next thing is to form a circle. So I'm going to be using 1 inch to form that circle. So from this midpoint here, I'll mark 1 inch. Till I get a perfect circle. Okay, so I'll just use my hand to connect it. Okay, so our circle is formed. So on one side of the circle, we're going to mark, just indicates a sign here. Then on the other side, we're still going to indicate another sign here. Okay, so from here now, I'm going to be putting my flounce measurement. Now ensure you add your sewing allowance before cutting your flounce. Okay, so I'll be using 2 inches for this pattern paper. I'll be using 2 inches. Okay, so from here now, I'm going to draw my line to meet this 2 inches here. Okay, okay, so we've met the 2 inches. We'll go ahead now and start marking it 2 inches round, just as I'm doing now. So you mark 2 inches round. So when we get to this point, we'll start placing our tape on this line. We'll mark 2 inches. So I'm going to connect this line first. So you're going to do this till you exhaust the whole of your fabric. Okay. Okay, so our flounce is coming out. So I'll continue the 2 inches from this second line now. So I'm going to mark this till I exhaust the whole of the paper. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just keep joining the marked point like this. It's very easy to make, so just ensure you watch the video over again so that you can understand it better. So this is where our flounce stopped. So we're going to just draw a straight line like this to indicate this is where it stopped. So depending on how big your fabric is, but I usually advise you cut your main fabric and your lining together so you have equal flounce. Okay, so what I did for my sleeve flounce was I used the material for the main dress to be the same as the lining. Okay, so it's your choice So what I'm going to do now is to cut. I'm going to start cutting like this. Alright guys, so this is the flounce cutting process of the sleeve. I used satin for this flounce. After cutting, I went ahead to sew it. Then I added crinoline to give it that standing structure I wanted. So if this video has been helpful and as you have value from this video, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, and as well don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is the fixing of the flounce on the sleeve, and here is the final look. See you in the comment section.